Go, Ty. Continue. Pedal. Pedal. Don't touch it, honey. Don't touch it. He did it. That is still a little pizza. He's been waiting on this pizza, so I'm gonna slice it up, make it cool, and get it ready for his lunch. I'm in the kitchen making lunch, dinner, everything all at once to just get out of this kitchen. Hi.
C'est quoi?
What is that? You want a chair? Let Mama go for your chair.
Qu'est-ce qu'on dit? Merci.
Good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. The fam bam is out. We've been doing so much this morning, but you guys haven't really seen our face as yet. I cooked and I have been cooking. I haven't finished yet. Come baby, come on, let's go. You can't teach him downhill, honey. Wait until we leave off the hill. Not possible. Yeah, you're riding bike. It's going too fast for him to to go down the hill. So we are out the house because we decided that we are going to teach Tyler the concept of how to ride his bike. So that's what Babe and I are going to do, but we're going down a hill right now, so I don't think it's possible for him to teach him on the hill. So Tyler is officially learning how to ride his bike. Look in front of you, look where you're going. Good job. He's so excited, look at him. And he's pedaling too, you know. Go Tyler. Yes. No, you're riding your bike.
À gauche, à gauche. Voilà.
Good job. And he's blushing when he turned to, you know. Go Ty, continue, pedal, don't touch it, honey, don't touch it, he did it. Go Ty, oh my god, foot up, yeah, foot up,
Allez.
up,
Allez.
yeah, go,
Allez.
pedal, Tyler, do like this, ooh. Foot up. No, pedal, pedal. Ty, pedal. He think this is grapes. Come, Ty, come. Pedal, pedal, baby. Turn, turn. Yeah, baby, turn. Yes, yes. Turn, turn. Turn, turn. Yeah, Tyler. I'm too excited. Yeah, Ty, turn, turn. Tell her turn. Turn. Yay. Come, come, pedal. Come, pedal, pedal, baby. Look where you're going. Look in front of you. I can just imagine how I am going to behave when Tyler have a soccer game. I'm going to be the loudest soccer mom. Tyler's going to be embarrassed to have me at his school game. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be the loudest and the most excited mother ever. Can you guys tell? It's fun to see him learning how to ride bike. So you guys, we ended up at the park. Of course, Tyler wanted to come to the park. Honey, put him all the way up. Don't let him do that. He's going to get hurt. Go, baby, go. Go on. You hear him counting as him go over each one?
So it's chickpeas, that's how you call it?
Yeah.
Chickpeas and broccoli and carrots and some white fish.
Yeah, and Tyler is having spaghetti and a little carrot and fish.
Right.
So that's dinner.
That's
Finally
dinner.
decided, guys, that that's what I'm going to make for dinner. So dinner is ready.
That looks good.
It looks good and I'm ready to eat. How about you?
I'm following you.
Hey guys, I look like somebody just rolling out of bed.
Yeah, because you're about to go to bed.
That's right. I'm not rolling out. I'm about to roll in. You guys were coming on to end the vlog, of course. and give you the expressions of
the day.
Yes. And the Jamaican expression of today is bagamote.
Bagamote.
If somebody tell you you are a bagamote, mean all you do is talk without any action. So it is chat. Say you're gonna do this and you're gonna do that and you does nothing. You're bagamote. You chat too much.
You're bagamote.
Yes. Me a bagamote?
You're bagamote.
Alright.
You like to chat. Yeah, she's a bagamote.
Alright. You say the French expression.
Voir la vie.
You see a chat too much, you're bagamote. That's why that happened.
No, that happened because I'm sick.
No, because you're bagamote. Come, go on.
Voir la vie en rose.
You give that already?
I give that?
Yes.
Okay.
You see, I'm learning the expression.
The French expression would be, I'm just beau parleur. That's something that we say to say bagamout in French. You can say also beau parleur, like you only have mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Beau parleur.
Beau parleur is like petit talker.
Okay, cool.
Petit talker.
Alright.
Mean you only talk.
Okay, cool. I like that. Alright, I like that. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and of course we love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.